Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to recover Roblox account without password or email in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps on this process. So let's jump into the video. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and search for roblox.com/login. So go to that website and then you end on this home page now. Now right here, you'll see username, password, and all that, but you don't know your password or username or you forgot it. So you're going to click right there, forgot password or username. Next up, you end up on this page right where you can see forgot password or username. And then you want to select the one that you forgot. So if you forgot your username, you can simply put in your email address and they're gonna email the username to your account. You can also use your phone number, which I recommended doing. This won't work if you did not set up your account properly with your phone number. So you need to set up your account properly connected with your phone number. And then the next thing we need to do is select your country over here, put my phone number, and then tap on submit. After a second, the verification code was sent to your phone number in SMS message right here. And just simply type the code in it. And as you can see here, I've resetted and recovered my account on this process. Once again, make sure to set up properly your account with your phone number properly so you can recover or reset if you're having trouble remembering your password or email in Roblox. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.